Hello, my name is Luis Felipe Pinto da Silva. My username in GitHub is Ludozico, and today I'm here to present my final project for CS50, Introduction to Computer Science with Python. It is called Arlong Medical Records. I live in Brazil, currently in the city of São Leopoldo. Today is January 28, 2024. Let's dive into it. I decided to create a medical record system since I'm a medical doctor in Brazil, recently graduated, but I always loved computer science. So let's present the program then, right? It is very simple, very straightforward. We have these entry fields where we can put the information of the appointment. I'm gonna insert myself here, right? My name is Felipe da Silva. My current complaint, well, maybe I have a headache. Planned improve. Alright, I skipped a little bit because you guys don't have to see me inserting the text. Well, let's use the buttons, right? If I click on save, I will save the console, of course, and automatically it will search and retrieve all the previous concepts in here. I had some saved because I was testing and playing with the program. It will print the inferior part of my screen everything that is happening with the program, right? We just saved the appointment, so it's like it's saying that it was successfully saved, and it shows the ID of the appointment and unique ID for each appointment, and a summary of the clinical data, right? Let's say I want to save the same concept with all the same data. Well, the program says I can't because it's the same thing, right? But if I change like to 2023 and I try to save it, all right, it saves, it creates a new data point with new ID, and it automatically updates my previous concepts window. If I click here, I can come back to that concept and I can read the data. Let's put something here like that's different, and I save again, and I click here, it's not there anymore. But if I click here, well, it's there. I can like navigate and read all the previous concepts easily. Like if I have to see a patient again, I can just change what I have to. Some things we don't have to change, like the birth date. Other things will change on a concept basis, the vital signs, subjective, objective, this sort of stuff we have to change, but it's like it's easier because what we don't have to change is already there, right? We have a search button, right, that if I click on it and it doesn't have anything, it will find all the appointments, and I think that's very convenient. Let's say that I have like these two appointments and they have like the same data because I made a mistake in here and I want to delete this concept. I can delete it. Let's say that I want to print the medical record of a patient. Let's test it. Let's use Harry Potter. That's the patient I have most data points for, right? I can click in it. It will automatically show me the data related to that appointment. And when I click in print record, it will automatically create a PDF file and open the PDF file automatically because maybe the patient wants his or her medical record, so it will print each appointment in a page. In relation to the Git, there's also the fact that it won't accept invalid data. I cannot insert, like, let's say, letters in the temperature, my dates. It will show this. One last thing that I wanted to show, personally, I think it's important in the context of medical records, is that all this data that we are reading, it's automatically being encrypted and decrypted. Let's say we try to access the file containing the data of the patient. It's the patients.csv file. It will be like this. It's cryptic and it cannot be understood unless you have the key, right? This was my project. This was CS50. Thank you very much.